WhatsApp, one of the most popular instant messaging application around the world, is reportedly working on new feature called push name. The push name replaces the phone number within the chat list when you receive a message from unknown contact in a group chat. This is archived by swiping the position of phone number and push names within the message bubble in order to make it easier for user to identify unknown group participants. The feature is now available after installing the latest WhatsApp beta for iOS. According to the reports, the push name now appears within the chat list instead of the phone number every time you get a message from an unknown group member. The report mentioned that the feature makes it easier for the recipient to understand who is the unknown contact is without having to save the number as a new contact. It is very useful in large group chat where it can be difficult to keep track who is who. In addition to the feature that adds profile icon within group chat, it is important to note that this does not mean that the phone number is hidden for a group member. It is still possible to get the phone number by opening their chat info. The feature is available for some beta testers that install the latest version of WhatsApp beta for iOS from the test flight app, and it is rolling out the even more people over the coming days. While for more such video, you can visit to our Techlusive website and YouTube channel.